I took this, this. In total, I took 9 trade. I lose 3 and I win 6. I made 50% profit of the $10 account. I took this particular trade because I see after this candle, this particular candle is the one that gave me the confirmation, and it gave me confirmation because it break out this ranging part. You see, the price is rejecting here, here, and somewhere at here. I did not screenshot that part, but immediately I see that okay, yeah, this candle come to this particular level, and this candle is a strong candle because it did not have any wick at the bottom. That is why I placed the trade and I won. With the indicator of the market is saying it's going down, and this indicator also shows us that the chart is going down. So that is the reason why I carried this trade. This particular trade, I stake that the red candle should win, but the green candle won. The reason why I stake that the red candle should win is that I saw this candle engulf, this red candle engulf this green candle, and we are on downtrend. MACD also confirmed we are on downtrend. This indicator also confirmed we are on downtrend, and the green candle actually won. I just feel the green repeats what happened here. They are making it red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. Something like this that means the market want to start ranging. I took this trade because I noticed the market is ranging. This was the previous trade I took and I lose it then. I saw this candle, I waited and see what the market is trying to do, and this candle here, when I see this candle, they form something like equal bottom, and the next candle here form equal top. I definitely sense that the market is ranging. They are forming, they are ranging and consolidating. So the moment I see that this one is trying to form like same equal bottom, I just place the trade that the market is the green candle is going to win, and the green candle do win with my $2 martingale. And you see the indicator also has shown that the green candle is about to like come take over the market. I took this particular trade because of this candle, this thin one. I call it doji. This another version of the candle. I took it. Whenever I see this candle, I have like 80% sure that the next candle is definitely going to be a red candle. So when I saw this candle, that's the reason why I took the candle. And when I saw the candle, you can see the candle did not finish at this same high. It come down a little bit, and the wick is longer than the previous week, so they form something like stair like form. I call it like stairs like form. So that is the reason why I took it, and it's on downtrend, even despite the fact that these, yeah, like this bank T is about to cross, it's still on downtrend. And I screenshotted it to show you that on this type of chart now, 1 seconds late can make you lose a trade. See this particular trade now, the candle has already formed with green candle. Assuming I am 2 or 3 seconds late, you see the candle has already formed another one and remain 1 second. Assuming there is a jump, immediately this candle want to form, I'm going to lose this trade. I want it because there is not the because there is no jump. I want it because there is no jump. So that one also, you need to take care of it, and I'm also taking care of it. So this is the trade I want. The next trade I want is this. I stake that this candlestick is going to come down, and I won. So this was the trade I staked, that the candlestick should come down, but the green candlestick won. And to be honest with you guys, it was a mistake. I wanted to stake up. I wanted to press up, but I mistakenly pressed down. So that is the reason why I lose this particular trade. I lose it and I use my martingale. Since I know that whenever I see this candle, it will only take me like two red before another, two greens before I'm going to see one red. That is the reason why I just take my chance, and I predicted that after this inverted hammer, I'm going to see a red candle, and the red candle came. Even though at this particular trade now, I'm trading against this trend. Normally I don't trade against the trend, but whenever I see any opportunity, I always grab it. I took this trade because I see that on this indicator it's about to cross at this moment, and when it's about to cross, it's going to take like 2 3 maximum of three candle before it crosses land. Immediately I saw this inverted amount because the candle was like this high, and the way the candle come down is really drastical. So that is the reason why I took the trade there. And when I take the trade there, there is a jump in this chart. And when I first took the trade was coming down like this, then it retract up. You guys can see just in 2 seconds the trade just move above where I place my stick. And also I definitely see this is a uptrend, and this year, and these are the reason why I don't really advise you to trade against the trend. But if you like, if you know what you are doing, you can actually trade against the trend. This trade was the one I lose. Then I waited 1 2 3 4 4 more minutes before I take this trade, and you see I already lose this one. Then I calm my body, I calm it down. Then I took this particular trade because I noticed the market is ranging already. You see, this one actually from something like equal. I know it's like a little bit higher, but it's like equal high at this particular point because the candle open here and it closed here. And also this one from equal bottom, and I know immediately it's from equal bottom, and when it reaches the top, it's forming something like equal top. That is the reason why I just placed the trade that this thing is coming down, because you know when the market is ranging, it has to give you green red, green red, green red, which is buyer seller, buyer seller, buyer seller, that are going to win the particular range or particular aspect that time. And also you can see what I used to explain, that assuming I am 1 second, see, assuming I'm 1 second late, and you see this jump, you see how this candle just jump. It's open here and it jumped to this place in just a microsecond. Assuming I place a trade that the candle should end here, and it ended here, and I'm 2 or 1 seconds late, definitely I'm going to lose it because of the jump that happened here. And you can see I already used my martingale. Then what happened? I won. I took this particular trade because this candle engulfed this next candle real good, and you can see this candle only have small wick, small very little wick at the bottom. So it is a strong candle, and that is the reason why I placed the trade. And you can see on the MACD, you can see something like a thin red here, like is showing that the red candle want to take over. And also on this other indicator, it is falling. You can see the two lines are already falling, they are coming down. So that is the reason why I chose to place this trade. You guys can see in just 2 seconds, and these are the type of trade that I place immediately. Like you see, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. So immediately the candle close, I'm going to like win my payout. So that is the reason why I take this trade. You guys can see the candle self just form under the moving average, and I won. This is when they had my payout. They added the payout and it gave me $15. So that is 5% of the capital. And you guys should know you must treat demo account like your refund. If you are new here, trading live account, it is because I lose four in a row and I want to modify my strategy. That is the reason why I'm trading on demo with a $10 account, and I'm trying to show you how to grow your $10 account every single day. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and on this channel you are going to see how you can grow your account, how it's going to help you. On this channel I'm sharing my experience so you can relate. If you think you are alone, you are not alone. Just share this video with your friend that is going to need it. Till my next video, peace.